So in this example, I have cosine pi over 4 times cosine pi over 12 minus sine pi over 4 times sine pi over 12. So if you remember, we had cosine x plus y will be equal to cosine x times cosine y minus sine x times sine y. So we can use exactly the same thing for this expression here. So I can say gonna be equal to cosine pi over 4 plus pi over 12. That's exactly what we have over here. So now I need to add these two together. So the denominators are different, so I need to use common denominator. Pi over 4, here we have 12. It's going to be 3 pi over 12, which is the same as pi over 4 plus pi. It will be equal to 3 pi plus pi is going to be 4 pi divided by 12. So it's going to be cosine pi over 3, which will be equal to 1 over 2, 1.5.